Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you had the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations, connection to your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic, for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high, to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake with 2 handy cup holders. This approved used Audi A3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.